Welcome students to Dr. Gandhi classes. Today we will be studying a diagram of Villus, a finger-like process present in the ileum. Please pay attention. After the process of digestion is complete, the nutrients are found in the ileum. No digestion occurs in the large intestine. So from the ileum, the nutrients, that is the end products of digestion of carbohydrates, mainly glucose, fructose, galactose, the end product of digestion of protein, amino acids, the end production of digestion of fat, fatty acid and glycerol from the villus are absorbed via blood and lymph to the liver, and from the liver they are taken to the cells for assimilation. And the assimilation is the use of nutrients to build up the body or body material. So we begin with the study of villus, how the nutrients are absorbed from the villus to the liver and then onto the cells. Please come to the board. So pay attention. The villus then is a finger-like process. Finger-like, and it is lined by a single epithelium. So now it is lined by epithelium. Epithelium is studied in animal tissues, is the lining material. So this then is the epithelium, and these are cells. So you have to make a nucleus and label the first one as epithelium. I am going to use colored pens, but in the exam you have to draw black and white. From one side enters an artery. So from one side into the villus enters the artery. From the other side, a blood vessel leaves the vessel. It leaves, known as a vein. The vein, between the veins and capillary veins, you have these structures joining the artery to the vein, known as capillaries. Now you can see this vein. This vein now is going to the liver. This vein is now going to the liver, and from the liver the nutrients will go on to the cells. So now the nutrients will be absorbed by this vein. You can see this vein has begun, it begins in capillaries. When it goes into the liver, it again breaks. In the liver, it again breaks into capillaries. In the liver, it again breaks into capillaries. So vein which begins and ends in capillaries going to the liver, therefore called hepatic portal vein. What does the hepatic portal vein absorb? The hepatic portal vein to the liver takes glucose, fructose, galactose, the end products of carbohydrate, and amino acids, the end products of protein digestion. They travel via hepatic portal to the liver, and from liver onto the cells for assimilation. We now go to the end products of fats. So now we create another, look here, I am creating another channel. This channel is a very wide channel because fats are large droplets, even though after emulsification. So now this is a channel which is going to carry fats. This is known as, from the word, fats are white in color. Lacta means white, therefore called lacteals. So what do the lacteals join? They join to go to the liver, forming the lymphatic vessel. And what does the lymphatic vessel carry? The end products of fatty acids. The end products of fat, what are they? Fatty acids and glycerol. So we begin. The villus is present in the ileum. This is where the digestion should end. After that, in large intestine, no digestion occurs, only water is reabsorbed. From the ileum, how the nutrients absorb? Glucose, fructose, galactose and amino acids absorbed by hepatic portal vein onto the liver, and from the liver onto the cells for assimilation. What about lacteals? They carry end products of fats, fatty acid and glycerol. The lacteals join to form lymphatic vessel, which then goes to the liver, and then the nutrients go on to the cells for assimilation, which I have taken a lecture on. So that takes care of the drawing of the villus. Very, very important from exam point of view. Thank you.